Alofa. O te whawhi wai a ki ate oe le swafa mai mā lolo kato hi o Yesu Kiriso. Le swafa te ete. O le swafa matatia. O le swafa e whapena o no tumu i le alofa mo le ana nei. I would like to welcome you tonight. This is the Kaukala Moletua program for our non-Samoan speaking friends and brothers and sisters, whether you're a policeman or in the military or in a hospital or you're in a jail or prison, wherever you are, find a chance to listen and see these programs. I would like to welcome you in the name of our precious Lord Jesus Christ, the one and only true way and life. See, there's no other way. You know, every houses or every thing you feel in this life, they're always like a door to go in and go out. So, and that's how, and what I mean by what I said is the way, the truth, and the light. And I'd like to welcome you tonight with all my heart